Unlocking the secrets of pulling a speedrun in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that's become quite popular in both gaming communities and everyday conversation: pulling a speedrun. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it in various contexts. So, let's get started and unlock the secrets of this intriguing expression. Pulling a speedrun originally comes from the gaming world, where a speedrun is an attempt to complete a game as fast as possible, often using specific strategies or shortcuts to achieve the quickest time. However, outside gaming, pulling a speedrun has taken on a broader meaning. It refers to the act of completing any task or achieving a goal in the shortest amount of time possible, often by skipping unnecessary steps or finding more efficient ways to get things done. Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase can be used in everyday language. I need to finish this project by tomorrow. Guess I'll be pulling a speedrun tonight. Here, it means working efficiently to complete the project quickly. She managed to clean the entire house in just an hour before the guests arrived. That was definitely pulling a speedrun. In this case, it highlights the efficiency and quickness in cleaning. While pulling a speedrun is a casual and somewhat playful expression, it's essential to use it in appropriate contexts. It works best in informal situations, such as conversations with friends or on social media. Here are a few tips on using it correctly. Use it to describe actions accomplished quickly and efficiently. It's often used humorously or to express admiration for someone's efficiency. Avoid using it in very formal or serious contexts, as it may not be understood or appreciated. And there you have it. You're now equipped to understand and use pulling a speedrun in your conversations. This phrase is a fun way to describe doing something quickly and efficiently, and it's a great example of how language evolves from specific communities into broader use. We hope you found this video helpful and that you'll start pulling your own speedruns in learning English. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful language learning tips. See you in the next video.